Oh, maurieo! AutoCAD Basic 13.6 Floor Plan 2. Hello, welcome. Well, this is the second floor plan that we're going to be drawing, and this one's slightly more complicated. So let's get down to business and head over to the AutoCAD and get started. So start a new drawing with the template AEC millimeters.dwt. So it's a new drawing, so it'll be a template. We must navigate to these particular templates because they're the ones we want, and they're in here. AEC millimeters, there it is, it's all done. Start the node, which is located there. Save it with the name writeoffice.dwg. File, save as. I don't know whether I've, yes, write office. There it is there. Yep, we'll replace that. Okay, so we're going to start from scratch. So first thing is to start getting the outside dimensions in. So I'll just put it onto there like so. Make sure that we're in the walls, and the walls on this one are 150 millimeters thick. All right, so let's get started. So we'll do a line and we'll start here, usually go around the outside first. So that's 1100. There we go, and we'll just drop that down and into the middle there like so. 1100, 3000, and then pop up to 400 and 15800. Like so, and then down 4200, and across here 1800, and then down here 6000. Now from there things get a little bit, oh yes, there's a 3600 we could put in there, 3600, and that there is to the inside wall of the library, and then there's nothing there. So I'm going to, that's got that there sorted to there, and then I'm going to come to here and start the line again from there, and we've got a distance across there of 1100. Okay, oh no, we haven't. Undo that. Can we undo that? Yes, and it should be 11,000. Okay, now that's 11,000, and then that pops down 2100, and then across 2400, and up 2100, and then across there 480, is it 48 or 49? 4900, down 2100, I'm picking, I think, and across, I'm picking, that's going to be the same size. Oh, so that's 2448. Yes, so that'll be 2400, and up there 2100, and then across here 3600. which gives us to there, and then that there just comes up there till it meets there, and then I'm just going to drag that across there. Okay, so that's actually 3.7, I think. 3.7, yeah, and that's 3.6. And there's no problem with those being different. It's just that the outside wall of the stairs does not line up with the one there. So right now, what we're going to do now is I'm just going to take that line out of there. We don't have a distance on that, but what we do know is if we draw a line, I'm going to draw a line here, and it's going to come straight down here like that, and that's 3,700, which is the edge size of the delete. Oops, I haven't done delete. So I'm going to do a line, and it's going to go there, and it's going to come down there 3,700, which is the edge size of the thing, and then I'm going to move the middle of that there to the middle of this here. That puts that in there, and then I'm going to select the smaller line, and I'm going to delete it. Okay, all right, so that's the outside edge of the thing there, and then we're going to come up to here to the polygon, right there, the polygon, and it's got 8 sides, and we're going to go E for edge, and that's the first point on the edge, that's the second point on the edge, and then we will rotate it. No, we won't. We will mirror it. MI, select the object there, and we'll mirror it there and there, and no, oh, we can, doesn't matter, delete. There should be an extra line in there somewhere, which we'll delete, like so. So there's our library right there, like that. So let's go offset, enter 150. Oh, offset, enter 150, right into the middle there, like that. And we probably want all those exploded. Okay, now these walls in here, let's join all those. Let's offset those 150. Oops, Control Z. So let's select all these through here and join them, and then offset 150, head into the middle. That's all good. Let's do a quick trim here, TR, enter. All right. Okay, so that's all our walls sort of done, except we're just going to put these little pillars in here. They're 300 by 300. So line enter. We'll just come straight across here, which is 1500, 1500. Okay. Oh, what's going on there? Enter first point. Okay, 1500. And then we're going to come across here 300. And then we'll, okay, is that 300? Yep, and then we'll go line enter 300, 300, and 300. So that's put that one in there. I'm pretty sure it's it says it's 300 square, 24, and what are these? Oh, 300 in there, and there's 1300 between them. So we'll select that, move the base point. I'll make that 1600. Oh, Control Z. I didn't want to move it, I wanted to copy it. Copy with base point. Clipboard, copy with base point. So we'll go there. Clipboard, paste. That'll be now, what is it, 1300 plus 300, 1600. Okay, and let's just check this measurement here. 1500, which is what the other one was, 1500, and this here should be 1300. Yep, plus 300. Yep, that's all looking good there. 1500, 300, 1500. That one there is not actually filled in. 49, is it? Let's check that. Make sure that's all good. 49. Yep, that all seems to be good there, like that. All right, and then we've got 5.8 to this line here. Okay, so let's go. What's it? Oh, 5.8. Okay, so let's put a line in here from there. $5800, and then it's going to come to there. So that's that line there, 5800. I'm just going to turn over the page and have a bit of a look at that. And that, oh yeah, that's got a line enter from here to there, and a line from there to there. Didn't really say, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we could make that into an array. Columns 4. Between. What's that? Oh, okay, no. That's not. That's just stupid. Okay. Okay, let's put a line in here. Okay, and then I'm just going to offset that 300 to go 1 there, 2, 3, 4, which is sort of what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't seem to be anything there. Yep. Right. Walls. Yep, we've done the walls. Draw the walls and the... Okay, oh, we've still got the internal to do here, some internal stuff. Okay, so yep, this line here. So we'll put this line. So far we've got everything in the walls. So we'll go line here, and we'll put that across to there, and we'll put that there across to there as well. Let's just trim while we're here. Trim that. Yeah, nice. And nice. Like that there. So that's that in there. And then we've got a 49. So offset enter 4900 in there. Ooh. No, we need to explode that first. Okay, and then we do that offset, which is already set up. And then we'll do an offset from here, but we'll just make that 100. Oh, 150. Okay, and then we'll trim that while we're at it. TR, enter. Oh no, not working. TR, enter. Yep, it's done there. So that's that room done there. Okay. And now let's get the drafting room. Have we got... No. Okay. So we've got the 4900 reception, which comes... Oh, and we've also got these here, which we've sort of neglected a little bit. That goes there to there, and that goes there to there. Trim out those there, and then we've got line into here to here, line into there to there, and trim out these here. Okay, so that's sort of got that all set up there, and then the 4900 line into. Oh, hang on, what do we got there? 490. Oh yeah, offset enter. 4900. Okay, and that can go there. So that'll give us, oh yeah, and that so we've got a line from here, oh, a line into from there up to there, and then that's offset into 150. Okay, and that should be trim to enter there. No, that's not going to bother us. We'll just grab that there and pull that back to there. Yep. Okay, and then that, and we've got offset into 150. Trim, enter. Oh. Coming out of there like that. And now we've got this, the stairs in there. I might just take these out of here. Just delete those at this stage, and I'm going to do a line here from there to there to there, and then I'll do another line from there. Like that. Dear. Yeah. Okay, and that's in there, and so that's pretty much everything done on that page. Anyway, now we just got to do the stairs. Now there's a bit of a thing with the stairs. It says there 1 foot, which is 305 millimeters. Offset into 305, which I'm just going to, oh no, we just need to explode there. Okay, so then we can go offset okay, right, so that's there, and we can do that as an array, a rectangular array. Select the objects, and that's going to have 1 column and 13 rows. And the distance between the rows is going to be 305, or 1 foot, 304.8 actually, and it's the other way. Okay. Now I could, I don't know if I can, what can I make, what's that distance there? That distance there is 4,000, so if we click on here and make that there minus 4,000, it makes it exactly on there, and between the stairs is 286, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, there's 14, so we only want 14. I don't know how we 14 enter, and then that there would be minus 4. That's right, 308, which is round about a foot, sort of. Okay, so there's our stairs in there. Put the stairs in the layer miscellaneous, so I'll just put them in that layer there, miscellaneous. Okay, all right, that's in the layer miscellaneous. Okay, but they're not coming up green, I don't know. Okay, they should be in the miscellaneous layer is green, isn't it? Yeah. Are they by layer? They are. I don't know why they're not coming up green, but interesting. Might have the layers turned off or something. So that's all of the stairs done. I think we've got all that done, and we're roughly in 27 minutes. Okay, now create the openings for the doors. Should be 900, and the single doors 800, and select the architectural tab and add the doors and windows. Use grips to modify the locations, lengths and widths of the doors, and swing off the doors. Use mirror to create the double doors, and quickly add windows. Quickly add windows in the library. Place 2 along one wall, and then use polar array. Erase the windows where the door is needed. Okay, so I'll put all the doors in, and we'll do a set of double doors before we go, and then we'll do the windows in the library, and then we'll go away and come back, see what we've got, and have a look. Okay, so we want a double door. Looks like in the middle of the reception room there. Oh, in the library would be the best one to do the double doors. So let's just do a line here that's middle to middle. Okay, and then let's offset that 900 because we got double doors, and so we'll just go there, and we'll just go there, and right then we'll delete that, and then we'll trim it out, TR to enter, trim that out. Yep. Okay, like so. All right, now we'll put the double doors in there. So we've still got them door metric. So it's gonna swing. It swings from here by the look of it. Okay, so we select that, and it swings 90. It swings that way actually. Goes that. It's 900. Okay, we want it to come this way, I think. That's all good. Oh, okay. It's that way there, but we want it, so that's going to be a mirror. MI enter. First point on the mirror line will be there. Second point will be what? Okay, that one there. Can we get it to go the other way? Yes, we can. And then here. Alright, now we'll do the mirror line, MI, which should bring it over to there like that. No. Oh, yes. Okay, so that's our double door in there. And then we can do another mirror here. Okay, from this one here to there, and this time we'll keep it erased. No, there you go. So there's our double door, all done. And then of course the second double door, well, we could pretty much just put that second double door in pretty quickly by just selecting these here, moving them from there to there. Oops, no, move them to from there to there. Oh, they should be, that's interesting, they should be 150. Yep, and that one there should be 150 as well. Okay, and then we should mirror these, but it'll be off the middle of the door, I reckon. And yes, okay, so we just need to and then we just need to trim those out and those out there like that. Oh, what happened here? Oh, did I move them instead of, oh dear. Okay, oh, that's not too bad. So let's select these here. Let's move them from there to there. No, perhaps not. Let's mirror them. MI. Oh no, sorry. Select those. Mirror, enter. Yeah, like that. Erase them, yes, and then they have to move again because of that, from there to there, and that's our doors. Oh my god. CP for copy. Copy from there, and that's gonna, oh, now we've got all sorts of trouble here. Oh god. Oh yeah, I think I can see what's happened here. line into, that should be there. No. There. Yes, I copied them instead of moving them. Oh, you'll certainly get plenty of, you know, maybe, okay, CP enter. Okay, so that point there, oh, that's no good. CP enter. I'm just gonna go from the midpoint of there to the midpoint of there. Okay, now if we mirror those, MI from there to there. Yes. All right, finally we have the double Dawson. Ah, what a disaster that was. All right, now for the library, 2 windows in each one. So I'm going to choose this one here, and I'm going to put a window in. Now let's have a look. There are 900 windows. That length there is 3756. So there are 900 windows. Take off 18. Take off 18. That's 1776. 1776 divided by 3. So let's just go. We'll go 500. So metric window. I'll just go from there. 500. Okay, and then this here. That should be, I'm going to go rotate. I'm going to rotate about that point, like that. That should be 150. Okay. What? Oh, what have I done here? 3700, so that's correct. Yep, that's definitely correct. But what's going on here? Let's have a look. Oh, measure here. Yeah, that's 150. So what's going on here? Oh, 150. Okay, I don't know why that didn't do that there. 150. Now let's just have a look at this measurement here. Measurement here. 562. So let's move that down there. 38 mils. I don't know that that moved. 600. Okay. All right. And then we can use. Okay. Let's put another window in here. Let's copy this. CP, enter. And base point there. And let's come from here. Let's just put that there. Okay, and let's just move that. Move that from there. 600. Hey? Move. Let's just go up there, 600. All right, so that's there. And what sort of distance have we got here? 700. So yeah, I guess we could yes. Oh no, that's fine. I'm going to leave that like that. All right, now let's come in here. Oops. Do the windows. Window. Oh, I'm going to select multiple ones. Pick add. Okay, and that's the pick add command up there. Array, and we want to do. Oh no. Escape. This Control Z. So we want to pick that and that, but we want to do a polar array. Okay, so now what have we got here? Base point axis of rotation. Oh, we don't actually have that there. So first of all, we're going to need that. So let's put a line in here. Number of ways of doing this. Line in there, line in there. In the middle of that should be the axis of rotation. So let's come in here again. Get this nice and big. So there we go. There and there. And we'll go with our polar array. Center point axis. There it is there. Specify, right. Okay. Okay. So what have we got here? And we got that up there. Items should be 8, shouldn't it? Ah, there we go. That's done. All right, so yep, and erase the windows where the door is needed. Okay, can we do that? Don't quite know how we do that. At this point, can we? Or can we just explode the array, I suppose? Options, replace item. Items. Rows, levels, base point. Rotate items direction, edit source, replace items, replaces the source objects for selected items or for all items referencing the original, reset the array, okay, so how do we erase an item? Okay, I'm not sure. Interesting. Right, I didn't think we... Rows, levels, base point, rotate items, direction, rotate items, rotate items. Oh, that's it there. Options, reset the array, replace an item. Here, no, oops. It's a polar array. Yeah, I'm not too sure how I can delete this item here. Right click. Okay. Yeah. Can't see anything obvious here. Replace. We can replaces the source objects for selected items or for all items. Okay. Array edit. Okay. Select. Nope. Okay. I think we just have to go X for explode, and then we can whip these out. Delete. Delete. So I think that's how I've done it anyway. Then these items are no longer, they're no longer part of the array. So the array just draws them in, and there's the windows. Obviously we don't need that line anymore, so we're going to delete that. Yeah, and these should all be in the Windows layer. So let's just get that sorted first. So we'll select here, entire drawing, block reference, name should be what are these ones called? Window metric, and they're a block reference. Okay, so let's come here and entire drawing, multiple block reference, and the name should be, but they don't seem to be there. Okay, oh well, I don't know why that is, so let's just select all those. They're all called block reference. 4 of them. Oh. Yeah, and they should all go in the Windows layer. Okay, so let's put them in the Windows layer. Yep. Which is green. And these here should all be in the Doors layer. Okay, they'll be in the Doors layer. Alright. Okay. In the Windows layer there, but I can't for the life of me get these steps. Array, rectangular array by layer in the miscellaneous one there, but they can't there. So the only way I can assume to get those there is to explode them, and then And then they're in the walls layer, I see. So they should have been in the, perhaps when we did the array, they should be in the miscellaneous layer. M for miscellaneous. Yes. Alrighty. So yeah, arrays sort of override a lot of bits and pieces there. Alright, so I think that's got that all sorted. And then what I'll do now is just have a quick pause, and when I come back everything should be done. We'll have a quick debrief there about that, and then we'll finish up. So, well, I'm back, and I've got all the windows and doors in, so just about to wind up. But in putting the doors in, I just noticed that here, in this situation here, you can see how that door's opening over that one there. And when I had another look at the diagram, of course, that door was further along. I had just initially aligned it up through there. So I've just got to tidy that up. So what I think I'm going to do there is I'll just put a, I'll just take that line out there. And I'll take that line out there, okay, and then I'll put a new line through here, okay. Now that's green, so that's got to be a wall line, so let's just make that a wall. Yeah, okay. Now what I think I'll do is I'll put this here and this here. I'll just put that in the middle of that wall. So move from there to that middle point there. That's right. That's why I wanted that line going all through. Now that there, that can move, and I'm going to move it because it'll save me putting it in the right layer, because it's already in the right layer. So if I move it, that's fine. And this here, I'm going to, oops, sorry, this line here, I'm going to move that to there. Okay. Oh, what happened? Didn't go. Reluctant. Or is there two lines there perhaps? And then we'll just do a little bit of a trim. Trim that out of there. And that out of there, and that out of there, and I'll just take that. Oh no, I'll leave that line there, but I'll take, oh no, this line here will come to there and join up with the white line underneath. And everything else is good. So that's sorted that door out there somewhat better and put it into the middle of that wall there. And this actually shows the beauty of CAD, because it's very easy to fix mistakes and to change things around and to edit plans depending on client requirements and things like that. Whereas in the old days, when we were drawing them in pen and ink, there would be quite a lot of action with the old a rubber or a razor, scalpels, all sorts of dangerous implements. But here in CAD, it's just the old mouse and a little bit of nous. So yeah, so that's that one pretty much done and dusted. I don't know if you can hear it, but the birds are starting to chirp, and there's a possum running around in my roof, or some sort of animal. Anyway, there we go. She's all done as far as I can see. So we'll save that. I think file, save as, and I think that was called Right Office. Yes, it was, and save, and yes, we'll replace it. All right, and then we'll close And back to the thing there, and yes, that ends floor plan 2. And in the next video will be a civil project where we look at a parking lot. Cheers! See you!